I'm going to repot a couple of little Mammillaria. I don't know what species they are, but they're in pretty crappy looking mix at the moment. Looks mainly like dirt and stuff. And this guy here has got a little pup on him. So we'll take them out of there and we'll repot them into some proper mix. Just shake the dirt off there. That might have a pup coming on the bottom, a couple down there, I think. All right, that's one. Get rid of that. And the second one, loosen it up in its pot and tip it out. Be not many roots on that. I reckon that's been overwatered and it's rotted all the roots out. Anyway, nice little pup there. I'll put them down here on our potting mix. And I'll start off with this guy here. I'd say that is about the right depth to plant this guy. So we'll fill some media in around him, all the way around, push it down, keeping the plant in about the centre of the pot. Gives it room to grow. Get rid of the mixture off it. We don't want to affect the pup on it. Alright, so that's the first one. I'll put him aside over there. Now we'll look at the second one. Got much larger roots on this, so it needs to go about that deep. Bit less, got a fair few roots on it. So we'll pot it at about that height. Alright, I'll hold it there and run some mix all the way around it. Pushing it down and bit there in the front. And make sure it's standing up all right. That doesn't look too bad. Now the last thing we're going to do is we're going to put a little bit of 7mm river gravel on the top of the pot there. Just a little bit to cover the pot. And it looks a lot better than just having your mix up on the top. Careful of that little pup down the bottom that's coming along. Okay, there they are. Now we're going to water them. I'll get a tub for that. Put the two plants into our takeaway container there. All right, it's better. Fill up our 50mm syringe and then start running round the top and letting the liquid run down into the plant. These plants haven't been watered for about 3 weeks or something, I think, so I'm giving them a water now. We're in autumn at the moment, in fall, so it won't be long before winter's here. They won't be getting watered at all, so this is the last drink they're going to have for a long period of time, I would think. As I said, I don't know what the species of these is, so I can't put a label in them. We know they're Mammillarias, but at some stage someone with more knowledge will tell me what the species is. Alright, and there they are, ready to roll. So I'll put those over on our table. You can see there's some water running out into the bottom of the tray there, so I won't bother to put any more water in the base. It's only a small volume of media. So there it is. Those two are ready now. These are the two Mammillaria that I potted up, I would say about 4 or 5 weeks ago. They're looking rather healthy. That pup has grown substantially since we last saw it, so they're looking all right. You can see on the top there, the apical meristems, the growing points are looking very healthy. And there's a close-up of that little pup. Remove the offsets. That little guy there that fell off when I touched him. We'll take this good looking guy up here next. Just snap him off. Comes off quite easily. Put it down there. There's another new pup starting there. Couple down here.